Hi guys, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as separate products in your collection page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for Stiletto theme. If you have any other theme, then you should go to shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published a lot of codes with different themes. So here on my store you can see that I have two products and each product has multiple variants, but those color variants are not displaying on this collection page. So let me show you step by step that how you can implement this feature by your own. So firstly you should go to the dashboard of the store. Here you can see that I have installed Stiletto theme. You should click on these three dots, click on duplicate. Once you are duplicating this theme, then you should again click on these three dots, click on edit code, and here we have some folders and files. So we have already the documentation which you need to follow. I have already added the link below in the description. You just need to download some files and then follow steps in the documentation. So here you can see that I have these four files, and you should open document.txt, and inside of it I have already added some steps. The first step is like create a new snippet, and name of that snippet will be color dash variant. You should copy this name and then click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste the name here, click on done. And now you should paste the attached code, which is this one, color dash variant.txt. You should copy this complete code and then paste it inside of that file, and then click on save and close this file. Again go back to the documentation. The second step is create new snippet color dash product dash item. Just copy this and then create a new snippet, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here and click on done. Again you should paste the attached code here, color dash product dash item. So you should copy this code from here and paste it inside of this empty file and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file again, and then after you should go to the third step, which is go to sections, open man dash collection dash product dash grid dot liquid, and here you should search man dash collection dash product dash grid dot liquid, and inside of it you need to search product dash item. So using Control F or maybe Command F, you will able to find out that product dash item which is inside of this loop. So you should replace this product dash item with these two words, color dash variant. So just copy from here and paste it right here and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file again, and then we are back to the collection page. You should refresh this page again, and here you can see that we have all those color variants displaying now. Alright, we had only two products, but now you can see each product had different color variants which are also displaying on our collection page. So you can implement this feature by your own. If you have any problem or you are stuck somewhere, you can definitely ask me. I will help you out in solving the problem. So thank you so much. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video. Also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.